Ecoxy provides a separate form to manage ledger accounts, and it is included in Accounts menu. So this is the form of ledger accounts. With this form, user can create a new ledger account and it shows already created and default ledger details. Details we can see here like account group and its corresponding ledger account, and last one is the allocated branch details. On the last column, a pencil icon is given here. This pencil icon indicates with edit option. With this option, user can edit the created ledger accounts, and this option does not available in every ledger details because user can edit the created ledger accounts only and cannot edit the default ledger details. Next, on the top left side of the page, a filter option is available. With this filter option, user can filter or customize the ledger data. User can filter the data by selecting an account group by using the drop-down option or by entering a ledger account. After entering the details, click on the Apply to filter the data. Next to the filter option is a search bar. With this search bar, user can search a particular account group or ledger name and can access a particular type of data. Next, on the right side of the page, an Add New option is available. This option is using for the purpose of create a new ledger account. Next one is the Export option. With this option, user can export the complete ledger details to Excel format. Next, a Delete option is available on the below left side of the page. With this option, user can delete the unwanted or unnecessary ledger details. For that, marking option is given here. With this option, user can delete multiple ledger details. Now let's take a look at how to create a new ledger account. For that, click on the Add New menu. To create a new ledger account, first of all, user needs to enter the ledger name here. After entering the ledger name, the next step is to select the account group. User can select the required account group by using the drop-down option. Next step is the global or local option. This option is available only in the case of branch concept. If the user wants to save this ledger account for HO and all the branch, then mark the global option. Otherwise, user can save it only for a particular branch or HO. After entering the details, click on the Save option to save this as a new ledger account. We have a Cancel option is available to cancel this form without saving, and also have an Exit option to exit from this page. After saving the details, we got a validation message with showing saved successfully. Click on OK to continue. Then it redirects to the previous page and the saved details will available here. So these are the details included under ledger account. Thank you.